Hi, it's Mike from Phase 1 DJ Store. Product I'd like to show you today is from Laserworld. It's one of their latest products, and rather interesting product this. This is the Pro 700 RGB, and it's a bit of everything, this laser. It's a full RGB laser. It's very bright. Just to run the numbers past you, we've got 100 milliwatt red, 100 milliwatt green, and 400 milliwatt blue. So very bright. I do think it's a professional grade product. This is a full metal chassis. It's a room filler. This is one of these. It does several different things. It does beam effects that will look fantastic in smoke and haze. It does the diffraction type effect, which will look brilliant filling a room, and sometimes that's great for when you can't use the smoke. You're still going to get a fantastic effect from this unit. It does the gyroscope effect, and it also does some 3D effects as well. So it's got quite a lot up its sleeve. We're going to show you this actually working. First thing we're going to probably do is we'll turn the lights off and we'll show you the effects, more the projection effects, like the diffraction, the 3D effect, and the spirograph gyroscopic effect. I like to think it looks like a spirograph. Remember spirographs? It's a thing back in the 70s. Anyway, you can also you can select the different features of this particular unit. So if you just wanted the airborne effects, you just select via the dip switches on the back, and it will stay in the airborne beam effect. Or if you wanted it just to do 3D effects, you just select it again via the dip switches on the back. No need for a DMX desk. You just select the right dip switch combination on the back, and it will stay in that particular mode for you. It's got a zoom on it as well, so if you are projecting it onto a wall and you want it to fit perfectly, you can zoom the pattern in and out. We'll show you that working. But I think what we need to do is take the camera off the stand and let you have a closer look at it. It's DMX, and it can be used by, controlled by ILDA, which is the laser system, using an IDLA controller. The one that we sell is Pangolin Quick Show. Would be great with this item. A couple of the other little specs that I just need to tell you for the Galvo system, for the motors, 40 kpps, so it's going to be very smooth this, and it would work very well with the software Pangolin. Anyhow, less of me waffling on, we need to have a look at this. Right, so what we've done is we've positioned the laser there, right, very crudely, but we wanted to project it up to here. Now, using the dip switch settings on the back, we've got this in what I call diffraction mode, where you can see it's actually, the coverage is phenomenal, and it does loads and loads of different patterns. And we're going to leave that running for a bit, and as we work through this video, we're going to show you the spirograph, we're going to show you the beam effects, we're going to put some smoke in the room. But that gives you an idea of where it's positioned at the minute in the shop and where it's projecting to. That is the gable end of the building, and I think you'll agree with me that we certainly haven't blacked the room out at all. Right, we've still got our uplighting on in the room, we've still got some ambient light going on, and that thing is just filling the place with pattern. We'll leave that running for a little bit. Put some music on. we've done now, using the dip switch settings, we've changed it and put it into the what I call a spirograph mode. But what I've also done, using the zoom, I've managed to make that pattern small enough so it fits in on that wall. Now we can make it bigger, very simply. And now it's filling more of the wall. Just with that simple zoom button on the back. Does loads and loads of patterns in this mode as well. So we'll put some music on, we'll zoom it back down to fit in at all. Once again, using the dip switch settings on the back, we've now put it into 3D mode. And we can zoom in and out on that mode as well, making the pattern bigger or smaller. So the control that you get with this laser is phenomenal. I think you'll agree that the patterns look absolutely stunning and it's mega bright. What we're possibly going to do in the next part of the video is we're going to put some smoke in the room and we're going to show you the airborne effects. We haven't gone through every single pattern that the laser does because there's so many.
the shaky ground. Come on and spread it out your heart and party, mood everywhere. Let's see you people laughing, people punching out in the air. Get down to the hip hop, a bebop, a new You hear the sound, it's all coming to ya. I wanna get ya, I wanna teach ya. I'm gonna get this beat to hit ya. Get this beat to hit ya. Get this beat to hit ya. Get this beat to hit this beat to hit the best. Y'all the best. Y'all.
So there you go. I think you'll find that that laser does so much. There's no doubt about how bright it is. It's very, very bright. That is the new laser from Laserworld called the Proline 700 RGB. It does diffraction, it does 3D, it does spirograph, it does airborne effects. It does everything. And I like the idea that you can lock it in to a certain pattern or certain program or certain feature set using just simply the little dip switches on the back. I think the fact that you can also use this using the pangolin software as well is absolutely fantastic. It's mega bright, and there is another one in the range as well, the Proline 1300, which you've seen how bright that is. Wow, the 1300 is just ridiculously bright. We'll probably do another video on the 1300 later on, so check that. If you want some more information on this particular product, click the link in this description to the video, and it will take you through to our website where we've got this item available for sale with its pricing, specifications and all the rest of the things. That is the Laserworld Proline 700 RGB. Mic at phase 1. Cheers.